So hey guys, in today's video, I will guide you with how you can contact Apple support for warranty coverage. So first of all, open the browser on your Mac or iPhone. Now here search for Apple support and press enter to visit it. Now from the search result, click on this first link which says official Apple support. Now here you will get various options like you want support for iPhone, Mac, iPad, watch, AirPods, music, TV, etc. So for example, I want support for my iPhone. So I will click on iPhone and now this will open iPhone support page. Now here scroll down. Now here you will see this option called Get Support. Under this, click on Start Now. Now after this, sign into your Apple account to continue. For this, click on the sign in button and now log into your Apple account. So after you log in, you will see your iPhone connected to your account. Here select your device. For example, I have this iPhone 16, so I will select it. Now here you will see various options like repairs and physical damage, device performance, subscriptions, Apple Store shopping, password and security, update, and more. Now, if there's a physical damage on your iPhone, then select this option which says repair and physical damage. Now, this will ask you to choose a topic. For example, battery service, cracked screen, back of the iPhone is damaged, screen or display quality, camera not working, etc. So let's select battery service. After this, click on continue. Now here you will see the support option, which is either I can visit Apple Service Center or initiate pickup and drop. Also you will see the estimate of the repair. Now here click on find a location. And now you can either schedule a visit or go with repair drop off. For example, I want to go with this option. So I will select it. And now this will show you the location where you can visit. Well, that's about hardware repair. But how to get software service? So for this, go back again, go back again. Now in this page, select a device. Now here select more. Now this will ask you to choose a topic. For example, let's select Bluetooth. After this, click on continue. Now first, here you will see the support articles and then you will see the contact option. Now, here my contact option is chat. So I will select it. After this, enter your first name, last name and email. Once you do this, click on continue. And this will open a new window. You will have to wait for a few seconds to get in touch with the support team. So this is the chat page. Now here you can mention your issue. For example, let's mention I can't connect to Bluetooth devices from my iPhone. Press enter. So this is a live chat. So in a similar way, you can contact Apple support for all your queries. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, then don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. And yes, for more such tech content and guides, visit our website itechhacks.com. So see you in the next one. Till then, bye.